Hey everybody, it's Brad from MobileSyrup, and I'm just kind of doing a quick video in this story. This isn't even going to go live on YouTube, I don't think. Just to kind of show off this Govee light and how it works. So let's get into it. Basically, the remote is how we use it the most of the time, which is pretty cool because it sticks right on there like that. Boop, boop, magnet. Cool. But simple controls. Hit the color button. Cycles through colors. You know, dim, bright, warm, cool, sorry, dim, bright, warmer, cooler. And that all works decently, but the real fun part is when you open up the app. So, wow, that filter has made that orange. But yeah, so basically, right now, let's switch it to Ripple, which is my favorite effect. Looks like this. Ripple, but like forest to change this through a bunch of different greens. Meteor, which is honestly kind of odd. It just does this over and over again. Rainbow, but there's tons. I mean, that was just the nature section. Life, we've got leisure scene, which I've never hit this one before. Romantic scene, that's special. A nightlight one, which you can't really see on camera, but it's on super dim. This one's called fireworks. Sound effects are my own. These are emotional scenes, so this one's called breathing. Energetic. This one's for Christmas. It's a Christmas scene. Funny scenes we've got. Hilarious, but you know, lots of stuff going on here. It's surprisingly in depth, and there's a lot that you can do with this app, more than you'd think. You can even like set your own gradient. So I mean, it's gonna take me a second, but you can. There, oops. Here, hopefully you can kind of see that I just did that. So it goes from some different colors, kind of cool. Change the brightness, timer, all that stuff. But really it's all about the colors, all about the light. And I guess the last thing to show off is, let me get the remote, is the music mode. So if you just hit this button, it's music mode, boom. And you can hear Alex typing here, or me talking. And it's just, moves along with that. I mean, with music it's a bit cooler, but Alex is working right now. So I'm not going to play music here. I'm already disrupting enough. And yeah, that's basically it. Pretty cool. Kind of a neat lamp. I like it more than I thought I would. So yeah, that's it.